Not sure if you can hear this, but whenever I go super fast, it does a kind of a weird noise. Yeah, it's quite louder when I go slow actually. Okay, so the first thing I'm doing is just to clean the board with the water. So you can see there's a lot of dirt around this bearing, and you can also see that this is not the original, because the seal is blue and not black like the original was. I did this change because I basically destroyed my bearing because I didn't maintain them properly. Okay, so first thing I did is put the board sideways like this. The idea is to clean the motor that is on the top to avoid having oil falling inside the motor. You don't really want this oil to get inside this motor. What I'm using to clean is some WD-40. At first I'm spinning slowly, then I try to go faster and faster and faster to see if it's working, and spread the oil all around the bearing. I repeated this process 5 or 6 times. So as you can hear, this is not perfect, but it's way better than it was before. To make it perfect, you would have to open the motor and just remove the bearing and clean it all the way and remove all the seals and stuff. Alright, I hope this video will help someone. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.